and grind. Joe grind. The smoothest thing on 2 foot, even better when standing on 3. I don't play games, but lots of time I hear girls cry, 3. You see, this average Joe just love the grind no matter how high the stakes, I risk it every time. I've worn many names from best friend to co-worker. I've worked in professions that should have made me wealthier. I've been the electrician, computer technician, cableman, insurance salesman, sometimes a plumber. I think I might have committed incest at one time or another because I'm sure I've been introduced as the cousin, uncle, nephew, or some close family member. I've always just been a friend or... because some close family member. I've met the husband or the boyfriend or the potential lover. I've always been a friend or best friend or just a virgin. One time I was a sister, no joke, serious thing, because the man couldn't figure out the just friend thing. You see, in my relationships it ends because of suspicion, so I don't mind when she good and have a fool man. You see, those relationships usually sweet and last long. But I'm always on guard if the man is smart or own a firearm, so I try as best I can not to have relations with ladies whose men are in certain professions, although them just as sweet and last just as long. You see, as simple as you see me, I know I am slick. My father must have been an asshole because I know I am the shit. As simple as you see me, I know I am slick. My father must have been an asshole because I know I'm the shit. I don't know Kung Fu, Voodoo, Judo or gymnastics. I know Einstein, no genius, not sure how high my IQ is, but I've gotten out of spots like a grease pig in a mud pit, thought my way out of situations like a lawyer who's a Harvard professor with 3 masters and is a certified linguist. Even make friends with a man, which is reason 2 to end these relations. But you see, always in the wings is another cat to fill the slot. Please don't call me a slut, just a pussy nut. You see, the thrill of being caught just gives me such a rush. When I sprint off, all the bolts record get crushed. I can count the amount of times I had to sprint, leave my shirt, crawl from a belly in wet grass or cross dry bush, dash left 1 foot of shoes or a pair of socks, tiptoe with my pants in hand, pulling up my brief or cupping my nuts, jumping through windows or out back doors, running down the fire escapes or hiding behind doors, under beds and in closet, hoping the window open to air out the scent, swiping the pantry, ducking behind the shower curtains, lying between the sink and the toilet. I can tell you Houdini has nothing on me. I'm famous for my disappearing act, being Joe in plain sight and never being caught in the act. Me know the dog and the cat, the neighbors and the best hiding spot. If it's a high rise, the best part of the ledge we catch. You see, my head have been a precision quartz clock. Me have timing down pat. I sense danger like Spider-Man, spider senses. I call it Joe sense. So when I step out, I do it with confidence, knowing I have both offense and defense. When in a crowd hearing my name being called in conference, talking about Joe's close calls and fun incidents where every intercourse was always the main course, it makes me feel proud when I hear them say they would love to meet Joe Grind one day. But you see, when I sit and I reflect, I realize that every man is Joe Grind in some respect, because if you can relate to the words in this poem because of experience, then all I can say is, nice to meet you, Mr. Grind. Hope your day was free of incidents.
Wicked. Brap.